Hello, welcome to my new video. On this video, I will share few documents about fixed Google Market Center. Recently, I fixed another Google Market Center account which was suspended for misrepresentation. It's a common issue. And why misrepresentation? Actually, misrepresentation means on your website you have any fake information. How you find this? Check your whole website, your website content, your website products, description, business details, everything. And here you have any false or fake information. Just remove this and follow Google Market Center misrepresentation policy. So that's it. So I want to share something that I already fixed today. Here is the suspended, and I open this. See here. Here is the Google Market Center account last number is 32, and the account suspension, here is the account issue, and the products now not fixed or approved. Here is all products is disapproved, and here is the I took screenshot date. Here is the September 18. So today is September 21. So I go to next screenshot. Here is the last number is 32. Here is the last number is 32, and there is 590 products not approved because account suspended for misrepresentation. And see here the dashboard and the market center, all products is disapproved. So now I go to another screenshot. See here, here is the products graph, and last August 22 last approved, and after that these all products pending under review, and after that limited visibility, and after that September 3, then it was suspended for misrepresentation, and September 9 to September 3 to now September 18, these all products disapproved. So I go to next screenshot. See here, here is the Google Market Center account number is 32 plus number, and here is the misrepresentation, and I submitted review request button is September 18, and you also see here the screenshot September 18 and the time here. So I this website from France, but they wants to approval for Italy, and this is the whole content is Italian language, and I already followed everything. Here is the rules how to fix your Google Market Center account misrepresentation suspension, and everyone just submitted without any changes. So I recommend you change your website, and if you see any wrong, then just edit this or remove this. That's it. So here is the review request button September 18, and I'm waiting, and today is September 21, and in the morning, today in the morning, uh, here is the approval mail. So I just first of all I just open this. See here, here is the last number is 32, and here is the see here, here is the approval start after fixed approval start, and now all products is approved. See here, here is the last number is 32, and approval all products approved. See the dashboard, There is the approved all products, and next next is again, see here, here is the 32 last number, and here is all clean arrow. That means now this Google Merchant Center account is approved. So I go to another screenshot and see here. Here is the this is uh, this is another country language, not English. So here is the review request approval, and Google mailed me that on this Google Merchant Center, this representation remove and all products is approved. So that's it. Here is the approval, and it was a great journey for fix this. I take 5 days for fix this, and see here. Here is the all products is approved, and see here also graph, and here is the last number 32. That's number 32 approved. Approved. Here is also approved. Okay. So if you wants to fix your Google Merchant Center, then contact with me. I will fix your Google Merchant Center account. If you wants to fix your own, then I recommend you to follow Google Merchant Center misrepresentation policy, website next improvement policy, and Google Shopping Ads policy. The most important thing is the website. Your website must be professional. Website speed is good. Website all products description perfectly added, image quality high, website contact details, everything all real. About us page must need all policy pages, and your website checkout must be working. And I recommended you try to be lazy, then your Google Merchant Center account will be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. Next video I will upload soon, and stay with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.